Y'all hungry?
You gotta get some food, Ash.
I hope you guys are.
Whoa!
I really like this girl, dude, and you're a fucking threat right now. Dude.
Okay, girlfriend. No. All right, John. It's not my girlfriend.
It's all off, yeah.
Wait, what's up there?
Dude, what the hell?
You couldn't feel it.
Sexual kiss right now.
I don't know if we have any more.
Whoa. Eat it, the whole thing. The whole thing, the whole thing.
Yeah, no,
Eat the. They're just.
Yeah, I don't know. Ash is like this, hanging out, and there's skid marks all over the toilet, and she's like this, hanging out, like only piss me pants, only shit me pants, girl. So it's like holy shit me pants. Yeah, so you got.
What the hell? The fuck is that? No. They want a vagina kiss. You guys will fucking want me. Oh my god, what the hell is that shit?
What the fuck is that? Mix Andy, if that is your content, you should quit streaming. I'm serious. If that's all you can bring to the table is to giggle and laugh and shit like that for $3 at a time.
I have sense of humor. It's called having a sense of humor. Blake.
That's not a sense of humor, dude.
It is sense of humor.
That's not a sense of humor.
It is.
It means you're a garbage streamer.
No.
I will never come back to America. Never. This is too much for me. I can't take it anymore, dude. What the fuck? I hate the desert so much.
Alright. Oh shit, she's real. Oh,
So real.
shit. Oh shit. Holy. Whoa. We bought dick pills today, okay? Just a little bit of a. He really bought dick pills, right? Dick pills? He bought dick pills, right? Yeah, he bought dick pills.
Really?
So yeah, he bought dick pills. So. Wait. If anybody throws it up, let me see what's up. Go ahead. Look. Look, he ate three. Eat it. Dude, it's so.
No, I'm being a little bit.
Look.
That's too much.
Eat it, the whole thing. The whole thing.
Yeah, no,
Eat
you're
the.
right.
They're just.
I need milk.
Bro, you got some milk or something?
I
Give me some milk.
need milk.
Oh my god, it's so hot. My throat's burning so bad. It's like, oh my god, sorry, but this is so
Holy
you have no idea how hot this shit is. Oh my god. Hey, did you eat all three? Oh my god. I've been eating it just for fun. Look at RV Eddie, dude. Look at blades. These blades are already done. Honey, can you go with me? Why? You sure?
Yeah, we were partying all day yesterday, remember?
You sure?
Yeah, I was partying yesterday.
How about I play with your balls for a little bit? No. Blade's girl, she's down to fuck anybody because she has a husband, boyfriend, and a fucking stepbrother she's fucking. It's all good.
So much emotion. So much emotion. Oh, I'm a fucking married bitch. I'm smoking my cigarette. Ah.
You guys, hey, chat. What do you guys think of the
Oh, you're my best friend. Oh, he's talking to Bjorn. He's telling her stories to her problems to Bjorn, dude. Like Bjorn gives a fuck. Bjorn, fuck that whore. Fuck. Do you hear that? Holy shit. Ashley, figure it out, dude. Figure it out, little bruises.
I'm amazingly happy.
Let her know.
Oh, no, you showed it for now. Well, I showed it before, though.
No, take it. Upload this, though. People miss it. Dude, you're getting shit on your feet, Andy. Andy, she's shit outside. No, Andy.
We're back. We're back. All right, I got it.
Anyways, like I was saying, so the end of the story is basically this, alright? So, when I first got to the fucking place, when I first got to the mansion, they had just shut their Reddit down, okay? And I know the reason why they shut their Reddit down was not because of ICE, it was because SSJ forced ICE to shut their Reddit down. The second thing that I know is that ICE and SSJ got in an argument. SSJ said that he was going to go to wherever he said he was going to, Vegas I think it was, I don't remember. And he said he was going to go to Vegas. And yeah, what actually happened was they were just going to be done, like not working together anymore. Personally, I know that ICE might have lost out on some money if that would have happened, and I know SSJ would have lost out on a lot of money. But I think that if ICE would have done that, it would probably have saved him a lot. Because ICE didn't do that. He ended up driving Vegas. He went back to Vegas, or he didn't go to Vegas. He came back, and so fucking yeah, dude. I don't know. It's just crazy because like. I don't know, I should have just said fuck them and just let them go and let it just part their ways, yo, straight up.
Important message for Blade, and it's an apology. Mexican Andy, can you mix your Blade hear this or let Casey hear?
All right, there you go.
Oh, attention, Blade! Man, I was ragging on you earlier today, but now, damn, dude, I feel for you. You had this girl come in looking all like she's Blade type of material. And then suddenly everybody's gone. She's sitting there with her boyfriend, John. Oh, John, babe. Dude, you got cucked so bad by a girl that gets drunk worse than you and shits her pants. We have only shit me Blade and only shit my pants Ash. Oh my God.
Just say I said I ain't fired. Let me crack your back.
I'm sure she's gonna get clipped, whatever. Ashley left her jacket with like $40 cash. I PayPal her that money. She's not a sex worker.
So you're telling me you didn't fuck her, or you didn't pay her to fuck her?
No, I didn't pay her.
I know, it's true.
But that's it. That's all I said.